Okay, up to day 3 with recycling, and today's question is, how can I get this big massive cardboard box into that little bag? Am I going to have to cut it all up, or am I be able to fold it down and just put it out with the recycling stuff and it will be taken? To be honest, it's going to be a bit of a faff if I have to cut that in small enough pieces to fit into the small bag for cardboard, but I'll ask and I'll let you know. Okay, we're up to day 4 on the recycling trial, and today's questions are glass bottles and jars. Can we keep the lids on, or do we need to take them off? I'll ask and I'll get back to you. And these plastic containers, which had yummy reduced pastries in from Tesco yesterday, can we put those in the recycling, or are they going to have to go in the black bin? I'll let you know. I thought we'd have a look at how the kitchen bins are looking halfway through the week. In the black bin, it's looking very minimal. In fact, I could squash that down even further. There's not really very much in there at all. And that's quite surprising because it's the school holidays, so I'm really pleased with that. Okay, day 5 of the recycling trial, and today I'm going to talk about food waste. We've got a compost heap, so all our vegetable matter usually goes on there, but just for this week I've thrown everything in the food waste box. It's still got quite a lot of space left in it. That's the remains of the roast chicken, all the bones after I've made soup, so that's going in there, and that gets taken weekly, and that's quite an easy change for me to make, so I'm quite happy to stick with the food waste one. Okay, day 6 of the recycling trial, and I have found out the answer to this question. This unfortunately needs to be cut up if small enough to be able to fit in to the cardboard recycling bag, which is a bit of a pain, but I'm going to time myself because I need to get this into perspective. Wait right there. Okay, done. Bit of faff, a little bit of hard work, did do it as quickly as I could, but still only 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So even if I was being slow, it's less than a 5-minute job. And that can all now be recycled. Day 7 of the recycling trial. Let's see what we've got. The red bag full of recyclable tins and plastic bottles and plastic trays and Tetra Packs is looking quite full. Cardboard, there's loads in there, but we did have some big boxes and some shoe boxes as well, so that's had a really good test. Paper, that's fairly full. A few glass bottles. I've just got to put the food waste all bagged up into the bin, and that can be sealed so that no animals can get into it. And then we've got to see what's left in the rubbish. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll just bag that up. And we'll see how much it actually is. And this is how much black bag waste I've got at the end of it. One tiny little bag. That's about, well, I don't know, a third, a quarter of a bin bag, something like that. All in all, I think it's very successful and I can't wait to start it.